this is a problem for most SMBs. We want to make sure that we look at the budget side of it. So prioritizing the cloud and subscription-based tools instead of large upfront hardware costs. A lot of businesses benefit from moving towards a cloud-based software and services, and that's because it's scalable and you pay only for what you use, etc. I'm telling you already, a lot of the trends we see these days with SMBs, a lot of businesses decide to move back away from the cloud because the costs are not as attractive as they used to be. But in this case, if it makes more sense for you, then the budget will win over here. There's no servers to maintain and protect and back up and secure, and there's fewer surprises with the upgrade costs, etc. Next thing is the strengthening the security at the end user level first. So we don't need to have all those crazy security tools. We can do a lot of little things. For example, implementing multi-factor authentication, strong password policies, regular software updates. Those things need to happen and can happen very affordably. And these are going to eliminate a huge percentage of the common cyber threats out there. It's a big win over here because big security will gain, and it's a minimal investment. We're going to replace some manual work with simple automation. It's not going to be just for cutting costs. It's also adding reliability, less human errors. So if you train your tools correctly and you feed the right information, you know the phrase garbage in, garbage out. If you feed it information correctly, it will help you correctly reduce mistakes, etc. So big win there because you don't have to hire more people necessarily for growing. Upgrade what matters, not everything. This is another something you want to think about when you want to put things on a budget. Why do we need to upgrade all of the computers? Why do we need to replace everything if it's not broken? The systems that tie to revenue or client data should be replaced maybe, but not everything. We have a client that wanted to replace all the computers, including 3 old servers that do nothing besides print servers. No issues with them, nothing wrong. They're still in compliance. Everything is working great. Why would you replace something that's not broken? You have redundancy and everything is working fine. You want to also think about tools that cause frequent downtime. Those you want to invest in. Big win over here is the improvement in performance, of course. Then use managed IT service providers as a cost control tool. Outsourcing to companies like Gallup Technology Group, of course, will help you with predictability, monthly cost, and you know that you have a whole team of people behind you and not just one IT guy that can leave tomorrow and take all the knowledge with them, all the passwords, and will be sick for 3 weeks and not answer the phone, etc. Plus, usually one person or 2 people in your IT department cannot spend the right needed time for research and give you that type of information like you're learning right now. That's what a managed service provider can benefit as well. And build a simple IT roadmap, another something to think about, fewer wasted investments, and better long-term planning.